Summer skincare. Are you making these 3 mistakes? I'm Ardie from the Skincare Center, and I want to help you avoid the most common summer skincare errors I see in my treatment room. Let's start with why hydration comes first. Your skin loses moisture faster in summer heat, and if you're not replenishing it correctly, no amount of moisturizer will fix the problem. Which brings us to mistake number 1, treating moisturizer as a hydration shortcut. Moisturizers are occlusives. They seal moisture in. But if your skin isn't hydrated first with a water-based serum, you're just locking in dryness. Hydration, then moisture, in that order. Mistake number 2, skipping sunscreen reapplication. One morning application isn't enough. If you're sweating, swimming, or spending hours outdoors, you need to reapply every 2 hours, minimum. Your SPF breaks down with sun exposure and friction, and skipping this step leaves your skin vulnerable. Mistake number 3, over-exfoliating when your skin is sun exposed. Aggressive scrubs and daily acids strip your skin's natural barrier right when it needs protection most. In summer, exfoliate gently, once or twice a week max. If your skin feels tight or red, you've overdone it. So how do you build a hydration-first summer skincare routine? Start with a lightweight hydrating serum, layer your SPF, reapply every 2 hours, and save exfoliation for once or twice a week with a gentle product. If you're not sure where to start or your current routine isn't working, book a summer skin analysis with me at the Skincare Center. We'll assess your skin, correct what's not working, and build you a custom plan that actually protects and hydrates your skin all season long. Read the full breakdown on our blog, link in the description.